Hello guys, welcome back to algebra class. So this time I will go over this 2-2 note, and I'm not gonna go over this first page because I believe I went over all the detail with this one, but here I don't think I completed all the questions, so I will try to finish this question step by step, slowly, but this one I will try to finish it quickly, okay? And this video will be long, maybe. So here, now we want to find function, and we have three variables here. So your solution is gonna be x, y, z. And first step, you have to choose two. And usually, I choose first and last one. There's no deep meaning. I just like it. That's why. But you can choose something else. So let me copy this one down. And let me copy down this one. So I just copied this and this to here, okay? And there's no special meaning, okay? Now, I want to get rid of x, okay? And does 2 goes into 4? Yes, if you multiply by 2. But they should be different signs, so I'm going to multiply by -2. So top one, there's nothing to multiply, so I will just copy this one down here. And second one, -2 times 2x is -4x. -2 times -7y is plus 14y. -2 times -11 is positive 22z. Equals -2 times 85 is -170. Now, it's very easy to make a sign mistake here, and as you know, if you make one slight mistake, that can mess up everything. So be careful about it. So 4x, so it's adding always. 4x minus 4x will disappear. There's a hidden number 1. So 1y plus 14y will give you 15y. Remember the rule, when you add subtract, if you have a same sign, you combine this number and keep the sign. And just like this, -3 plus 22, different sign, you subtract the number and keep the sign for the bigger number, which is positive in this case. And this one is going to be -125, okay? All right, so we're done with the first step. And second step, you're going to choose another two equation. So I have this one and this one. It does not matter which one you choose, but let me choose this one, okay? So let me write this one down again. Now, I got rid of x here, so I also have to get rid of x here, okay? Though it looks like it's easier to get rid of z. Now here, apparently 4 cannot go into 6, so you have to flip multiply. You're gonna multiply by 6, 4 here. If you wonder where I got this number from, 4 from here, 6 from here, okay? And they should be different signs, so you're gonna put negative to one of these two. It does not matter where you put, so I'm gonna put it in the bottom. 6 times 4 is 24x. 6 times y, 6y. And 6 times -3, -18z equals 6 times 45, 270. -4 times 6, -36x. -4 times -4 plus 16y. -4 times 3z minus 12z equals -4 times 41 is -164. And no, why is it 36? What am I doing? It's 24, by the way. I'm sorry. Do you see? Even I make a mistake, just like this. I don't know where I got 36 from. Maybe I multiply by 6 and 6. I don't know why I did it. So stupid. So these two will disappear. Add 6y plus 16y will give you 22y. -18z minus 12z will give you -30z. -270 minus 64 will give you 106. Alright? Alright, so I got these two. Now highlight these two numbers. It's very simple. And copy these two numbers here. So if I'm writing too fast, which actually I am, so pause the video and give yourself some time to write this one down. Okay? So after you write this one down, also you gotta do the same thing that we've been doing, which means you're gonna now get rid of y. 15 does not go into 22, so again we're gonna do cross multiply. 22 on the top, 15 in the bottom, and they have same sign, so I'm gonna multiply by negative to one of these two. So let me do it with the negative 15. And 22 times 15, I cannot do it on top of my head, so I'm gonna use calculator, which is decimals in this case. So let's do this one here. So 22 times 15 is 330y, and 22 times 17 is positive, so 374z equals, and 22 times negative 125 is negative 2750. Okay. Now negative 15 times 22, it should be negative 330y. Negative 15 times negative 30 should be positive, I don't know, 450. Why is it positive? Because negative times negative give you positive. It's the same sign. Negative 15 times 106 is negative 1590. Ooh, it's huge numbers, right? But it's easy. It's nothing difficult. So these two will disappear. And 374 plus 450. What the? Why did I multiply? Is 824. Z equals, remember, same sign, you add and keep the sign. Same thing here is negative, so you add. So it's going to be negative 4,340. Okay. And now you divide it. So Z is equal to, so here, I'm going to do it. It's a very interesting moment. So if I get some weird fraction, that means I made a mistake. I hope it gives you a clear number. Oh my goodness. So do you see I got this ugly fraction on the left? That means I made a mistake somewhere. Let me figure out where I made a mistake. Oh gosh, I wish it wouldn't happen. Let's see. So it's very, let's see, let me find. So did I copy down the question correct? So that's the first thing that I'm gonna check. So 45 I did, and then oops, okay. So I copied these questions down, and then 6x minus 4 equals 41. Yes, I also did. So I did it right. Okay, I did it. Okay. So, okay. 22. Okay, I did it correct. So that one is 1, 0. Yeah, so I did not make any mistake here. So here, let's see. Yeah, I did not make any mistake here. So when I get rid of it, 15. Oh, here I made a mistake. Do you see I got 17, but negative 3 plus 22 is not 17. That's actually 19. Whoa. So here, okay, so here that should be 19. I'm sorry, guys. Do you see? Even I make a mistake like that. So 22 times 19. So 22 times 19 should give you 418. So that should be 418. So do you see? Here, negative 3 plus 22 should give you plus 19. So what I had to do here is 22 times positive 19, which will give you positive 1418. Does that make sense? So that's the part that I made a mistake. Oh gosh. So if you make a slight mistake, that's how you check. So here, now it should be totally different number. So 418 plus 450 will give you 868z. So if you want to get rid of 868z, you have to divide by 868, and please, 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 let me get the good number. I don't want to make this video again. Please, God, have mercy on me. Hallelujah. 5. Do you see this? Z is equal to negative 5. It's negative because it's a negative sign. So I forgot to put negative here. So it should be negative 5, okay? Z equals negative 5. So I did it, guys. Yes. Now, what should I do next? It's very easy. You are going to choose one of these two and plug in Z here to solve for Y. So I'm going to choose this one because I did not make any mistake here. So it's very good. So let me copy this one down. And instead of Z, so 22y, negative 30, but instead of Z, I'm going to put negative 5 because that's what I got for Z here. Equals 106, 22y is equal to negative 30 times negative 5 will give you positive 150. Trust me, I'm not going to make same mistake again. So minus 150 both sides. So here, if you know what I'm doing, you just copy this one down. Instead of Z, you plug in what you got here, and then basically you're solving for Y, okay? Like you get this, you copy this one down, and now you're gonna solve for Y. So minus 150 both sides, so this disappear. 22y equals, that will give you negative 44. And if you divide by 22 both sides, you will get Y equals negative 2. Simple, right? Now, last step. So we got the Z and we got the Y. So only thing that you have to solve for is X. So what you have to do last is you choose one of these three and you solve for it. It does not matter which one you choose. So I will just choose the last one because I just wanted to. There's no reason. So I'm going to write 2x minus 7y minus 11z is equal to 85. And let me zoom in. I made a spacing mistake, so I should write smaller. So 2x minus 7, but instead of y, I'm going to put negative 2. Minus 11, but instead of z, I'm going to put negative 5, because that's what we got. So it's very simple. So I get 2x plus 14 plus 55 is equal to 85. 14 plus 15, so I'm going to combine these two. So I get 2x plus 14 plus 15 is what? 69 equals 85. Minus 69 both sides. Let me write it down here. So you get 2x equals 85 minus 69. And what is it? 1. So what's it? 10, 11, 16. It's a 16, right? Yep, 16, 17, 85. And if you divide by 2 both sides, you get x equals 8. Now be careful, sign mistake. It's 85 minus 69 will give you positive 16, and x is equal to 8. So your answer to this one is gonna be 8 comma negative 2 comma negative 5, which is x, y, z order. So that's the solution. Yep, we did it. So that's how you do it. I went over a little bit too fast, but I believe if you slow the video down, you will have no problem to understand this. And do I really have to go over this? I will go over some simple step, but I'm not gonna finish it, okay? So here, let's do this. Let's finish this one. So I'm gonna get rid of this one, which we did in class. It looked nice because 5y and 5y is same number. Looks like it's very easy to get rid of, but it does not matter where you put negative sign. But in order to get rid of x, they should be negative, right? So you're gonna put negative to one side, and I'm gonna put it on the top. Again, there's no reason because I'm just writing it. So if you're wondering why I'm doing so fast, if you distribute negative, only effect that you have to do is you just switch the sign. Okay, that's why I could do it so fast. And bottom, I don't have to do anything, so I will just copy this one down. If you don't understand, pause the video, think very carefully, or replay it. So these two disappear. 3 plus 2 will give you 5y. Negative 8 plus 4 will give you negative 4z. 59 minus 47 will give you 12. Okay? Very simple. And now I gotta choose another two, so I'm gonna choose, it does not matter which one you choose. Let me choose this two. Okay? So let me choose 5x minus 3y plus 8z equals negative 59. 9x minus 4y minus z is equal to negative 60. Okay? And again, for this time, 5 does not go into 9, so you have to flip multiply, and you gotta put negative to one of this one. So it does not matter which one you choose, but negative 9 times 5, negative 45. Negative 9 times negative 3 plus 27. Negative 9 times 8, negative 72. Negative 9 times negative 59, how could I know? So 9 times 59 is 531. Again, it's gonna be positive because negative times negative become positive, okay? And here, 5 times 9 will give you positive 45x. 5 times negative 4 will give you negative 20y. 5 times negative z will give you negative 5z. And 5 times negative 60 will give you negative 300. It's very easy, just easy like this. And this 2 will disappear. 27y minus 20y will give you 7y. Negative 72 minus 5 will give you negative 77z equals 531. Minus 300 will give you 231. I believe I did not make any mistake. Okay, so yep, that's about it. And after that, what you are gonna do is you will set these two together, like 5y minus 4z equals 12. 7y minus 77z equals 231, and you flip multiply, and again they don't have the same size, so you're gonna put negative to one of this, and if you do it, you will get it done. I really did not want to go over everything, but I think it's necessary. You know what? I'm not gonna go over everything, but it's very easy, right? So I will just finish up this one and then finish the video. Okay. So 5 times 77, so it's gonna be negative 385 equals 5 times 231 will 5 times 231 will give you 1155. It's positive. So I will finish this. I will just solve for z and I will close the video unless I make a mistake. So I cancel this one out, and 28z minus 385z is equal to negative 357z. Looks like I forgot to write z here. And 1155. So this one is this one. Negative 84 plus 1155 is this. Alright. I wish I did not make any mistake. Divide by negative 357. Yes! Do you see? Z is equal to negative 3. I did not make mistake, guys. You have to praise me here. So I got Z. So here, I forgot to highlight this. But only thing that you have to do after this is you're going to choose one of these two. Plug in. Solve for y, and then after you solve for y, you're gonna plug it to one of these three, and that will give you a beautiful answer. Alright, if you have any question, just let me know so that I can help you, and see you guys.